Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you are always aware and notified every time I upload new content. So today I decided to show you guys how I make my two favorite coffee drinks, and I'll begin with French press. So what I normally do is add in my coffee grounds, Ethiopian from Starbucks. So I add my coffee ground and hot water in my French press, and I wait for it for about like 5 minutes for it to blend in. And then what I normally do is I'm going to pour it in my cup, and that is really basically all. I don't sweeten my coffee, neither do I drink it with milk. And yeah, I love my coffee hot, black, sugarless. Yes, so the second one is I'm going to be doing the famous dalgona coffee. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but yes, this coffee has made a buzz in social media. So I thought I should do it and show you guys how I do mine. So I normally use my instant coffee, sugar, milk, and you are going to put all the ingredients inside a container where it's easy for you to blend, and you're going to put equal amounts of each ingredient, that is water, coffee, and sugar. The milk, you're going to add it later on. So what I'm doing right now is measuring my coffee, not my coffee, my water. Sorry. So yes, I'm mixing it nicely to make sure that the water, sugar, and coffee are nicely mixed. Then I take my hand blender and mix it nicely. Then as you go, it will start frothing, and it depends on how you want it, how frothy you want it to be. And in my cup, I am going to add a glass of milk. Then I'm going to add my coffee mixture. Oh guys, just look at that, it looks so delicious. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you like this kind of content, comment down below, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye guys.